In the late 1940s, Stalin wanted Moscow to rival New York, and the result was the construction of 7 Soviet skyscrapers known as the Seven Sisters. After the devastation of the Second World War, Stalin wanted to turn Moscow into a contemporary European city, and he commissioned the construction of 7 monumental buildings that completely changed the city's skyline. They were intended to show to the world the ambition and triumph of the USSR in the post-war period, and to rival the recently completed skyscrapers in the USA and Europe. One of the main buildings is the Moscow State University, which was the tallest building in Europe until 1990, and remains today the largest educational building in the world. 2 of them are luxury hotels, the Hotel Ukraine and the Hotel Leningradskaya, designed to show off the Soviet Union to foreign visitors. Another one is home to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and the others are residential, commercial and administrative properties that were built to house the Soviet elite. At the height of the Cold War, these skyscrapers weren't just buildings. They were a message to the West that the Soviet Union could build just as high and just as boldly.